little sweethearts, it's me again, and we're doing handwriting one more time. I recorded these all on the same day. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt in every single one of these videos this week, it's because I recorded them all on the same day. So, pull out that handwriting book. We are going to do our final row of uppercase letters. Then we're actually skipping the lowercase letters because we're going to cover those so extensively in other lessons. We're going to skip those and we're going to go down and do the numbers on the bottom. So we're doing 2 rows today. We're doing our last row of uppercase letters and we're doing our row of numbers. So here we go. Let me get you turned around. And let me make sure that you can see where I'm going to be working. Oops. And it looks like you can. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start with R today. So here's our letter R. That's where we are starting. And for R, we start up in the top corner. We come straight down, go back to the top, half circle, slide down. Then we have S. We start in the middle, half circle, turn it around the other way. Next is T. For T, we start in the middle and we slide straight down. We go back to the top here and we cross straight over. Then we have U. For U, we start in this top corner. We go down and back up. That is our U. Next we have V. For V, we start in this top corner. We slide straight down and up. That is V. W is our next letter. For W, we start in the top corner again, and we go down, up to the middle, down, up to the top corner, and that is a W. Next, we have X. For X, we start in the top corner, and we slide straight down, and we start in the other top corner and slide straight down, and that is an X. Next, we have Y. We start in the top corner, slide down to the middle, go to the other top corner, slide all the way down, and that is a Y. And the very last letter we have is Z. For Z, we start in the top corner, we go all the way straight over to the other corner, slide down, and straight back over to the other corner. And that is all of our uppercase letters. So now, let me move my staplers out of the way. Don't need those this year. I'm going to slide my book up so that you have a good view of my numbers. And we're going to talk about how to write our numbers. So for 1, we start in the corner and we just go straight down. And that is a 1. For 2, we start in the corner, make a big half circle down to the other corner and straight across. Next, we have 3. We start in the corner and we say half circle, half circle. Next is 4. We start in the corner and we go straight down, over to the middle. Then we go back up to the top in the middle and we come straight down. Next is 5. For 5, we start in the middle, straight over to the corner. We go down halfway to the middle, we stop, and then we make a half circle to the bottom, and that is 5. Next, we have 6. We start in the top corner, come down, and we circle around, and we have a 6. Next, we have 7. For 7, we start all the way over here in the corner. We go straight across, kind of like we're making a Z, and then we slide down. Next, we have 8. Now, a lot of us, when we make an 8, we just want to say circle, circle. that's actually not how we make an 8. To make an 8, we start in the center, and we start off like we're making an S, and then we come and do a backwards S to connect everything. And that makes an 8. Next we have 9. We start way up in this corner, and we make a half circle, up and down. And last, but most certainly not least, we have 10. So we start up at the top corner, straight down, start in the middle, circle, back up to the top. And that is 10. And that is it for handwriting today. Thank you for working so hard and following along.